Okay, this is Luke's very first book he is ever going to read, and he's going to read it to us. Okay, Luke, show us the cover of the book. It says,
I learned to read. Ba, ca, ma, sa. Like a baseball cap. Man, hat, tub, Jan, wet. The.
good.
Good job, buddy.
I'm almost here.
You're going to read us the book now? Okay, cool.
Hen, bag, Tim,
Good
bat,
job. Wow.
cub, pan.
Excellent, buddy. Come over here.
Bed, 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 dog, no,
Don't cheat.
pet,
Good.
cut, bun, egg, bug,
Good
Good
reading.
job, buddy.
bib,
Whoa.
and
Wait. Go back to that
Go
one.
back.
bib,
Is
Yeah.
that a
Is that a
B
D or a
or a
D?
D? No.
did,
Yes.
did,
Very good.
pat,
Nice.
red, R-E-D, red,
What's the last one?
men,
Good job. How old are you, Luke? How old? 5. Look at the camera. How old?
5,
Nice reading for a 5-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you in kindergarten?
yes,
Who's
All right.
your teacher?
Mrs. Sellis. Okay, guys, this is big time reading.
Okay, let's do it. Big time.
Okay. Fed, ran, no, rad, ren, ran,
Right.
mill, jug,
He doesn't want help.
not,
Good, Luke.
and
Excellent.
yes, fail,
Fell.
fell,
Yeah, you had it the first time.
him. Wait, no. It,
Very
Good.
kit,
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
hid,
Yes.
in,
Yes.
wag,
Very good.
miss,
Very good.
jog,
Excellent.
Good work, Luke.
act, and leg,
Good job.
up,
Very good.
well,
Yeah.
pig,
Very good.
mug, mudge, mud,
Good, mud. That was good figuring out.
duck,
Yes. Good job, Luke.
caught, and sat.
Now read the last sentence.
The pig sat in the mud.
Woo! Nice work.